ghetto smelting aluminum. Primitive no-cost smelter. Trying it out, just messing around. Figured I'd do a little video. That would be a coffee can with holes in it, wood, and a dirty old pan. Nice day to play outside. It's pretty hot though, I'll give her that. I got all ashes in it, but the aluminum's definitely melted. I'm gonna try to burn the ash out of it and then smelt it. Alright, guys, I'll let you see when I'm done what happens with this disaster. Thank you. Well, you can smell aluminum. Take one. First pour. Very bad. Could have went worse. Would have been better if I didn't have ashes all in there. Alright, so here's what I wound up with. The big thing on the bottom, I tried pouring a bar, but that was a disaster. The rounds came out okay, I guess, for the first time. Smelting and pouring with a homemade furnace. All in all, I was pretty happy with it. I didn't get hurt. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you watching.